are the Persaud family 4. We have Daddy behind the camera. We have Abel over there hiding. And my name's Arya.
What's up, guys?
Mommy! And what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be opening up my sand kinetic thing. It's like a slime with sand in it.
Hey, you can stop jumping in my couch and you can jump on that thing.
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? Right? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You're gonna break my couch up.
No.
Yeah?
No.
No?
Alright, come, let's get to opening, Abel. Come, let's go.
Are
you first?
Yeah.
Arya's gonna open her thing first?
Alright,
let's
so
go.
Mommy's going to come in here to be of assistance.
Let's sit down.
Huh?
Mommy, sit
Mommy,
down.
sit down.
Oh, you got a seat for mommy?
Okay, Mommy's going to sit over here, okay?
So you got a seat for mommy, then you sat on it?
I got
Alright, so first up we have the slimy a unicorn. Butterfly.
Even Abel's favorite things right there.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur!
So
Are you a
first
dinosaur?
up-
Hey, Mom, this.
Yep, first up we have the slimy goop, slimy sand. So we've got some kinetic sand in here.
And we got some slime.
Looks like it has a lot of shapes for them to be able to
Mommy,
make different shapes with it. And we're gonna open this up.
I'm excited. I've been waiting for this.
Yep.
Hey, Mom, look.
All right.
Yo.
So just to the side.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Mom, they out. We're going to.
All right.
Oh,
so
there's tape there.
There's tape there.
I think.
So this is what it looks like when you take off the packaging.
That's slime.
All right, hands away, safety first. All right. And let's take this off. Arya, do the honors.
Playing the waiting game, Abel?
Look at all this. What is this?
All right, so I think this is all the kinetic sand in here.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Okay. So Mom is gonna look at this sheet, this insert that came in here. So we have one play tray, which is this green part. So this is. Uh-oh, what happened?
What happened?
You hurt your foot?
Yeah.
You gotta be careful, okay? Back chair?
Back chair?
Oh no.
Back stool.
Alright, so we have a play tray. So this is where your kinetic sand is gonna stay in here. Or your slimy sand, I should say. It's gonna stay in here. You have 2 marble slimy sands. 3 scented slimy sands, so we can smell some of them. We get, yeah, you gonna see 2? Seaweed, that's right. More seaweed. And some rocks under there. Yeah, and we have 3 mold bottles. Okay, can you sit down and we can open them up together? Excuse you, on your bum, please. We have some molds and some easels. All right, so Arya, pick a color and we can open one right now.
This one.
You want to go with that one? Okay. So we're going to take this one out.
Whoa.
Put that to the side. And I think these are... You have blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, help me.
So, right here, we're going to open this up. It's resealable. So, Arya, when you are done, you need to take it.
Oh, Mom,
back in
that's
here.
so low.
And you're going to seal it. So, why don't you help Abel get out a mold? And you 2 of you guys.
What are molds? These?
So these are all like different molds that you can use to make shapes.
Oh, we have to open up the back. No!
Abel's gonna get the dinosaur?
No.
You got the unicorn. Do you want the dinosaur,
I
Abel?
want this one. I want to do this one.
You want to do that one?
Ah, this one's stuck.
You need help? Oh,
Yeah.
you got it. Okay, let's put that to the side. So it's out of the way.
Tissue.
You got the dinosaur? Okay, so time to pour this out. Ooh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's magical food. Oh, Mom, I
Pull, pull, pull. Ooh.
Ooh.
That's it. Put that to the side.
Inside. There's sparkles in it, guys.
That's so cool.
Well, Mom. There's sparkles.
That's why they call it slimy sand. Because it's like slime and sand.
Don't inside.
Okay, so you can take some to do your mold. So let's help Aria do her mold first.
This is a smell one.
Is it?
Smell it, Apes. Yeah.
Yeah?
Smell.
Alright, Ari, so come, let's put some in here. Let's see if we can flatten it in there.
My turn.
Your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, just a moment.
Little piece.
I think we're going to have to try and flatten out some of this here off the edge.
Well, Mom.
Oh, is it super stretchy?
Yeah.
Oh, how does it feel?
Feel it, Dad. Yes, sir.
All right, Ari, here, I think you can,
It's nice and soft. Oh, Mom,
is this the back
my
for Ari?
Yep.
Okay, well, you figure that out.
Honey, my cue.
Your turn.
Oh,
Do you want to
Mom.
put in the dinosaur?
Wait, this is a bigger one.
Yep, look, we put in the dinosaur.
What the?
Press.
Blue.
We're using the pink one right now. We can open the blue one later, okay?
No blue.
I know, but we gotta wait until Ari's ready to open the blue one. So let's take the pink one that we have now and press.
No feet.
Okay, so you gotta get some more for his feet. Ooh, turn it around. That is some cool unicorn. Oh, you broke it. All right, let's help Abel press. Press it in, Abel. Press.
Oh, Mom,
There's some more there.
you could stretch it in.
Yeah. All right. Abel, are you ready to do the honors? We're gonna,
Oh, Mom.
in 1, 2, 3, you're gonna flip it over, okay?
Look
Hit it hard down. Pat. And let's see if we can. Dinosaur!
Oh,
Whoa.
Mom, stay up. Look how stretchy it is. You guys ready? I'm going to flatten it. And... Mommy, your foot. Mommy, your foot.
Stretch.
Mommy, foot. Oh, no, that's so low.
All right.
It's a skipping rope.
So do you like it, Aria?
Yeah, look, it's a skipping rope.
Whoa.
Mommy, Nafa.
Nave first?
Yeah.
Pony?
Oh, look.
Okay, so.
Look at my hair.
All right, guys, so we're going to take a moment here. We're going to let the kids continue playing with this for a bit, and then we'll be back in just a second to do the second unboxing for the trampoline.
Everybody ready to get your trampoline going?
No, Aria foot.
Yeah,
Aria did go first.
Aria already opened her gift. Huh?
Oh,
No more?
No more?
That's
We're
okay.
gonna open the next one. Here, come, Abel. Let me and you open that one.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Alright, you wanna play with Ari's toy? Okay, I'm gonna open up your toy then. Look at me. I'm gonna open up your toy. Haha.
I'll help.
Come, Abel.
I want to help. No.
Yeah, look. Look at what we got.
Abel, come. Hey.
Alright, so now we're gonna open this thing for Abel. Ready? You excited? Hop. Yeah, hop. Mom, can I get the scissors, please?
Yes, you can.
Look how high I could jump already.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Alright, can I get the scissors, please?
All right, you guys go over there. Mommy's going to sit down here.
Alright. Abel, let's go. Come help me. Watch your fingers. Yeah, fingers. Because one person already went to the hospital for the week. We don't need another
And it
person
was me.
going to the hospital.
I think you guys saw the video.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa. Oh.
Let's go. So, we're going to get to unboxing this, Abel. And we're going to get to set it up. take everything out.
Well, this you have to be careful with.
Careful with that? Okay. Take everything out, Abel.
Delicate pieces.
Now we can pop these.
Take everything out.
I know, right? Favorite
Oh,
thing to do
that's
is
heavy.
pop.
Ooh, pop, 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 pop.
Abel, that's heavy.
That's
Something
the
like
instruction
And
sheet.
we got some
Instructions.
instructions.
There's something in here.
Huh?
What's in there?
Hey, it's a
What's
face.
that?
Huh?
It's a face, I think.
The face? Maybe it's the tools to put it together?
I think so. The instruction sheet.
It
Now,
is tools.
here's the question. Is Daddy actually going to read this to put it together? Or is he just going to put it together?
Oh, you know we don't read instructions.
Read the instructions. You always get confused, and then after you get mad, and then
He's so silly.
We just scan and assemble. Right, Abel?
All right. Let's leave the men to work.
Alright.
Let's see how well this is going to go.
Mom, look big that go.
Here, you, garbage lady.
All right. Go help.
Me again.
Abel, you got to go help put it together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Help Dada.
Watch your fingers. Wait, watch out. I gotta snap this. Wait.
Giant lady.
Now you guys have somewhere to jump on.
Whoa.
Instead of having to jump on the couch.
Yeah.
We've been jumping on the couch for a long time.
I know.
Yeah, now you're not jumping on my couch no more.
We already made a little
Yeah.
prank.
Alright.
What's that, Abel?
Tools.
Tools.
Oh, we got
Help?
4
Help
legs.
you hold.
Help Daddy. Bring it to Daddy. Daddy's going to help you open.
I don't know.
Alright, open these.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Back.
It's upside down right now, baby.
Gotta go with the wake up, please.
Yeah, the tape don't want to break. I think I'm weak.
It's the scissors.
I can't open. Where's the scissors?
They're right behind.
Right behind. Be careful. Safely cut.
We got legs.
All right.
I
And
don't know
Mommy's
if these
gonna have
legs
to
are
bring the
gonna
mat
hold me.
downstairs
Huh?
and put the mat underneath the trampoline.
I don't know if this can hold me.
I don't know.
Well, I can hold my finger right now.
Abel, aren't you gonna help?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta help.
Where's the other ones, Dad?
Huh?
Where's the other ones?
Huh?
Where's the other ones?
What other one?
Those stuff.
Oh, they're behind me.
The other legs.
Yeah, the other ones. Mommy?
Mommy, you helping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom!
Bouncy bounce. What happened, Dad? We didn't read the instructions?
No, it's tight.
Oh, it's tight. Oh, is that so? Are you sure it goes there?
No, it's not that
Oh, look,
tight.
you're picking up the instruction sheet now.
It's the legs. It's its
Mom,
legs.
move
Oh, you
it!
scan it.
Mom!
Yeah?
Got another. Mommy! Careful, dude. You almost.
Don't put your mouth on that.
Ducky.
And dirty.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's like a saxophone.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All in by the street, and I home for it. Say, hey, Mama, Mom, say, I have to.
All right, guys. So of course we had to stop for a second there because Daddy doesn't like to read instructions, so we had to stop and help Daddy for a
Mom
second.
had to read the instructions.
Yeah. So I had to read the instructions. The kids took a little break here. Continue playing with the sand. There's Dad now, finally, after he read the instructions, twisting away,
This stuff.
working. What happened, Daddy?
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened?
Something happened
The
there.
screw's in an awkward position. That's what happened.
Oh, sure it is.
Well, Mom,
It
I
was
made a
over there
ball.
playing. It's a big ball.
you ball.
Make a ball so you
Mommy,
can
you.
roll, roll, roll.
Yeah. I
Yep.
can help you. No, Mommy.
Roll it. Are you guys helping Daddy? We gotta put the leg parts on.
I can help.
Get all the red pieces.
Get the tongue tied. Get the big red pieces that have to go on the bottom of the leg.
Yeah. And pick up all the garbage too.
Yep.
Mom,
right, Abel, you gotta come help us, please. Ooh, ice cream. Okay, Abel, can you help us?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Come.
So we're gonna put this to the side for a second. And can you help pick up the garbage pieces?
Yeah.
Thank you. Pick up the garbage pieces.
Jelly.
Yeah, so those little screws that you're asking me about, those go in the align holes for putting on the handlebar at the top.
We got one more. We're missing a leg. Hey, well, are you gonna test this out first? Oh, the other arm. Can I get that first?
Right here. Can somebody pass this over to Dad?
Take it out, Ari.
Uh-oh, you gotta be careful.
Mom?
Mom?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Abel made a tower. And he's
You made a
gonna
tower with them?
kick it down. Watch.
Hey, those are the legs. Don't do that.
Ah!
Mom built that doll.
Build dinosaur?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm excited.
You're excited?
I
Why are you
haven't gone on
excited?
a trampoline for so long.
I know. I don't think. Did Papa put up the trampoline this past summer?
No. Not yet.
No, he didn't. Maybe this summer we asked him to put it back up, right?
Yeah, because I have not been on a trampoline for so long. Since like the past years. I've been just jumping. Acting like I was on a trampoline.
It's been almost, what, 2 years now then?
No, 3 years.
Dad's struggling. Uh-oh, Abel, you gotta be gentle. Pick it up.
You're gonna break up my floor, guy?
Daddy's gonna get mad at you. Daddy tells us don't break my floor on my couch.
Struggling away. You go. Mm-hmm.
It's tight.
Uh-huh.
Mommy, help me.
Help you.
Oh
Whew.
Daddy's using his
It's a
old man
workout.
muscles.
no. Since he was a baby to a teenager to a grown up, that's all the muscles he's using that he got.
He's an old man now.
So tight.
Mommy, help me.
Ooh, hammer. Alright, there you go. Get the next one.
That one. Can I help you,
Get the next one.
Teamwork. Take turns.
Wait,
Wait, my turn.
wait, hold on, wait. One hammer for Aria. Wait, one hammer for here. There you go.
My turn. My turn. My turn. I don't.
Alright, my turn. Alright. There. Whoa.
Oh, how's it looking so far? Whoa, ho, ho.
Yeah, you getting excited for this?
Mom, look, man.
Yeah, you're missing something.
Hey.
There it is.
Careful, you
Oh,
little
yeah, hold on. Pull it around.
Hi,
Twist it around.
Yeah, don't touch me.
Thank you. And then we gotta screw this in.
It's almost done.
We're gonna fit that in there. We're gonna fit that in there. Who's taking the first jump?
Abel, me.
I built this. I'm not jumping on it.
I don't think you can handle your weight, Daddy.
Go, Abel, go.
Wait, wait.
So, yeah, perfect. It's curved outwards, right?
Huh?
I want to try.
What is that?
Me first.
What are you doing?
No headbutt.
You're hitting your bum?
Oh, my feet are done. Yeah.
You want me to test it out first?
No, me.
Wait. Let me test it first.
I don't think you can handle your weight, you know.
No.
Say no, Daddy, no.
Alright, it's good to go.
Okay, Abel, you get the first run.
It's good to go. Let's see. Whoa, yeah, now you don't jump in my couch no
Yay!
more. Alright?
Can I try this? No, mine.
Can Ari try?
Aria's turn.
Let Ari get a try.
We need to try out my kinetic sand.
Yeah, we're sharing today, right?
Okay, let's just get a turn.
Let sister get a quick turn,
Let's
please.
just try. Whoa, let the sister go.
My turn.
Wait, hold on, wait. There you go. You guys share.
All right.
You guys can jump together.
My turn.
Yeah, you guys
We
can
can
come
both
together.
jump.
Whoa.
So cool.
Mine.
Huh? Share, Abel.
Abe, sit down. I'm gonna
Who knows how to
bounce
do
you.
a trick?
Be careful, he cannot sit underneath the bar and then bounce, okay?
Oh, yeah,
I
you're
know.
gonna hit
That's
your
not
head.
safe. That's why there's a safety bar.
See, Bob?
Safety bar.
I know.
You guys
All
like
right,
your
so do we
toy?
like it?
Yeah, do you like your toy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Jump away. Tire yourself out. Take a nap.
Alright guys, so that was the end of the video, and now we're going to be able to play with our toys, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
Make sure you go like,
Right.
comment,
And
subscribe.
Hit that notification bell!
Uh-oh, man down.
Man down, man down.